To buy options on Moomoo, start by downloading and installing the Moomoo app on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the in-app instructions. After logging in, navigate to the trade section of the app by tapping on the trade button at the bottom of the screen. Then, select the stock or ETF you want to buy options for by typing its ticker symbol in the search bar. Choose the Options tab and select the expiration date and strike price you are interested in. The expiration date is the last day the option can be exercised, and the strike price is the price at which you can buy or sell the underlying asset. Next, choose the type of option you want to buy, either a call option or a put option. A call option gives you the right to buy the underlying asset at the strike price, while a put option gives you the right to sell the underlying asset at the strike price. After selecting the option you want to buy, enter the number of contracts you want to purchase. One contract is equal to 100 shares of the underlying asset. Review your order to ensure everything is correct, including the stock symbol, expiration date, strike price, option type, and number of contracts. Then, submit your order and wait for it to be filled. Once your order is filled, you will see the option contract in your portfolio. Monitor the performance of your option contract and consider closing it before expiration if you want to realize any profits or limit any losses. It is essential to understand the risks and rewards of buying options before making a trade. Options trading involves risk and may not be suitable for all investors. It is crucial to have a solid understanding of options trading concepts and to develop a trading strategy that works for you. Before buying options, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the cost of the option premium. The option premium is the price you pay for the option contract. It is also important to set a budget and stick to it to avoid overextending yourself. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can buy options on Moomoo and start trading options with confidence. Remember to always do your research and stay informed about market conditions before making any trades.